Last week, I gave you 2 ways to make money with AI without any tech background. Today, I'm finishing that list. And path 3 might be the easiest one of all 5 to start. You don't need a portfolio, you don't need followers, you don't even need writing experience. You just need a topic you already know something about and AI to help you build the first draft. I'm Suzy, and I simplify AI for real life. The third path has one of the lowest starting costs from all of these paths. There is a massive infrastructure already built for it that most people doesn't know, and the income model is generally passive after the catalog is built. So let's talk about books. Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing is Amazon's self-publishing platform that has been open to independent writers and publishers since 2007. Most people think this is for established authors with publishing deals. It is not. It is an open platform where anyone can upload a manuscript, set a price, and start collecting royalties for Amazon sales. You upload a file. Amazon lists the book, process the sales, and deposit the royalties. No deal, no agent, no prior experience required. And here's how the production path works when AI is involved. You start with research. The goal is to find a specific topic with real search demand on Amazon and manageable competition. This step matters more than anything else. You're looking for topics that buyers are actively researching, where current books have gaps, outdated information, poor reviews, missing specificity, and where your knowledge and research can truly fill that gap. Once you have the topic, AI helps you outline, draft, and refine. You are not publishing raw AI output. You are using AI to make a draft. Then you shape it, fact check, and finalize. The quality of the end product is entirely your responsibility. It determines your reviews, and your reviews will determine sales. Now let me talk about children's books specifically, because this is something I am personally building on the side of this channel. I have a project called Yukimitsu Books, and I have already published 2 children's books. The illustrations are AI generated, and the production timeline, it's something that a few years ago, it would be unreasonable. With AI image tools, you don't need drawing skills. You describe what you want it, you refine it, keep your character consistent across pages, and then you assemble everything in Canva. The visual side is very accessible even if you have never done any design in your life. I actually put together 2 guides around this process specifically. One is a beginner's guide called AI Children's Books Illustrations, the Starter Edition, which covers character creation, scene building, keeping your illustrations consistent, and getting your files ready for KDP. The second one is the Master Edition, a more advanced version with deeper techniques, batch workflows, a full video guide about KDP, and a full prompt library with over 50 prompts. If you are interested, both are linked in the description. Now, one important policy to note. Amazon requires disclosure when content is AI assisted. Follow it. Most buyers don't filter on it. They filter for, does this solve my problem? Does this look professional? Does it have good reviews? And those things are within your control. So to start, just go to Amazon and search a specific subject you have knowledge on or experience in. Once you find a good gap, which is manageable competition and high demand, go to your preferred AI and ask it to help you brainstorm this idea and create the first draft for the book. Now I want to check in here because I know what some of you are thinking.
3 paths in, and all of them involve creating something. A product, a service package, a book.
But what if the starting point for you is not actually building something new, but helping someone else? That's path 4. And it is the one with the fastest cash conversion once you land the first client. But before we get there, just a tip. Path 4 is also the most overlooked in this whole conversation, and the one that most people in a professional context are best positioned for right now. Every small business around you are hearing constantly they should be using AI. They are also overwhelmingly not using it. Not because they don't want to, but because the distance between I should do this and I know exactly how to start is too wide for most of them to cross alone. That difference is a service, and crossing it does not require deep technical expertise. It requires being far enough ahead to be truly useful, and being able to explain things simply without making the person feel behind. Here's what this looks like in practice. A restaurant owner needs to respond to Google reviews but never has the time to do it thoughtfully. You build her a set of AI assistance responses templates, covering the 10 most common types of feedbacks: positive reviews, complaints about wait times, questions about the menu. Each template is customized to her own voice and business. One afternoon of your time, she uses by herself from that point forward, and you charge it once for the setup. Or even a small retail company that wants to use AI to handle first draft responses for customers' inquiries, but doesn't know which tool or how to prompt it. You choose the tool, build the initial prompts, and give them a one-page reference document they can use themselves going forward. 2 hours of your time. One client that tells other 2 people because you made something complicated feel simple. But note, the model that works here is not teaching people about AI in the abstract. What sells faster and works better is done for you or done with you. Either you produce the deliverable or build a system so the clients can run by themselves without depending on you every time. That is a much easier conversation to have with a real business owner. Now, the non-obvious part. You don't have to market this as an AI work. You market it as a writing service, a communication service, a business support service. Your production method is internal. Clients are buying the results and your understanding of their specific businesses. How you produce it is your business. Getting the first client is the tricky part. Look at your existing network. Identify one business that you have a connection to. Think of one specific thing they produce regularly and that you could improve. Reach out with a specific offer. I can write your monthly newsletter. It's a completely different conversation than I offer AI consulting. Specific offers get results, vague ones don't. Now the fifth and last path is one that most people ignore because they think it's only for influencers or big agencies. But the actual demand for it is everywhere, and AI has made it accessible for regular people with no marketing background. Businesses need a constant flow of social media content. Captions, post ideas, carousels, video scripts, weekly content calendars. Most of them either have no one doing it, have someone doing it badly, or spending significant money on an agency that produces content that barely sound like them. What AI changes is the production. Writing 30 captions a month used to be a real-time investment. Now is a fraction of that. Building a full content calendar for a client used to take a few days. Now it takes a focused morning. You spend less time producing, which means that you can take more clients or deliver more value to the ones you have. Here's the part that matters most about this path. The valuable piece is not I use AI to write captions. Any tool can write captions. I understand your audience, your voice, your industry well enough to make the content perform. That judgment is what clients pay for. AI handles the drafting. You handle the thinking. And that industry knowledge is often something that people already have without even realizing it. A former nurse offering social media content service to a healthcare provider, a former teacher creating content for educational brands, a former retail manager creating content packs for local businesses. Your past professional experiences is what really matters for that specific niche here. AI makes producing it fast. You do not need a portfolio to start this. You need one sample, 1 month of content built for a business in an industry you understand. Use AI to produce it. Make it genuinely good. And that sample is your pitch. So the starting point here is pick an industry you know well. Build a sample of content calendar for a fictional or a real business in that space. Reach out to 3 businesses in that industry with your sample a specific and simple offer, and see what happens. Before I close this out, I want to tell you the part that could save you a year of spinning in circles. Because every one of these paths has a version that builds something real, and a version that keeps people busy without producing anything. And the difference between them comes down to one decision. The version that builds something real is choosing one path that fits the life that you already have, and committing to it consistently, even in small windows. 20 minutes while something is in the oven, one focused hour after the kids went to bed. That's real life. That's what this actually looks like. The version that stalls is trying to run all 5 paths at once, or waiting for a big block of uninterrupted time that never comes. It's not about discipline. It's about picking a path that fits how your day actually moves, not how you wish it moved. And here's the timeline for each path. The service path can generate income quickly if you have existing clients, or can land one through Fiverr, Upwork, or direct contact. AI makes you more profitable once you have that client. It does not replace the work of finding him. Digital products and KDP books takes time to build visibility. The first product almost never sells fast. The catalog is what compounds. Thinking months of even years of consistent building, not days of waiting after a single launch. The small business help path pays quickly once you land that first client. And that first client usually comes through someone you already know. One referral from a satisfied client worth more than a marketing campaign right now. The social media content path moves as fast as you can retain the first client as well. The sample is your tool. Get it right first. Now pick one and work consistently, even in small pockets of time you already have. The compounding doesn't care how big your windows are. It cares that you show up in them. Service, digital products, Amazon books, helping businesses, social media content creation. Pick one that fits where you already are. And comment Etsy if you want that video. And if you haven't watched the video where I talk about breaking decision loops using AI, that one is worth your time. A lot of what I cover there connects directly to what you're building here. Just click here to watch it. Save this video. All 5 paths are here, and you want to come back to the one that clicks once you're ready. And next week, I'm talking about ChatGPT, your data, and privacy. Subscribe so you don't miss it. Real AI for real life every week. See you next week.